Celebrate your love for the great outdoors with this awesome 2018 Cedar Creek Champagne Edition 38EL fifth wheel from TerryTown RV. This fifth wheel sits on 8,000-pound Dexter axles and H-rated tires. It has a two-tone painted front cap with a full clear coat. It's equipped with a TrailAir air ride hitch coupler and bright LED front and rear cap lights. A remote control operates the slideouts, patio awning, entry lights, and the 6-point leveling system. A wireless rear observation camera can be added as an option. You'll find exterior storage compartments and easy access to tank controls. This unit has an exterior 40-inch LED TV on a swing bracket. The storage compartments feature gas lifts, slam latch doors, and a dedicated key lock. In the living area, you'll see a deluxe La-Z-Boy hide-a-bed sofa and La-Z-Boy power theater seating. The entertainment center includes a 60-inch LED TV, CD/DVD player, a 12-volt subwoofer, and a 48-inch electric fireplace with remote for heat control. Congoleum flooring can be found underfoot. The dining table with 4 chairs has a leaf extension. In the designer kitchen, you'll find a 20 cubic foot French door stainless steel refrigerator with inverter, ice maker, and water dispenser. There's also a 30-inch stainless steel convection microwave, induction cooktop with cookware, LG solid surface countertops, a center island with medallion infinity light overhead, wine refrigerator with storage rack, and a max storage pantry. The double vanity master bath has solid surface countertops with 40% larger sinks and a continuous on-demand hot water heater. In the master bedroom, you'll find a king-sized Serta bed with decorative headboard, 40-inch LED TV, and tons of storage. Visit us at TerryTownRV.com or give us a call at 616-426-6407. Our friendly, experienced salespeople make it their job to help you find the right RV at the right price. Our prices are the lowest in the nation, guaranteed, and our inventory is overflowing with top RV brands. You'll save when you shop with us.